exploded. It's like carbon monoxide because the car exploded earlier from the, I think the manhole. So yeah.
I heard like a big explosion. I thought it was something from upstairs, but like the whole building shook. Inside, yeah, we were inside in Quantic
we were
Bank.
working inside.
And yeah, like it happened what, twice or three times?
Three times.
Three times, yeah. Like the whole place shook.
But when I rushed in front, I saw all the smoke in front of the bank. And then I asked what happened, and they're like, explosion. Then we saw the car, the back of the car came out. Then more went up. Then it started getting more worse. Then the fire truck came. And then again another explosion. And then the security guard ran into us and says, don't open the door, close. And then again a third one. And I said, no, we should get out of here. And by then the fire people came and they had us go out.
We saw smoke was coming out, and then we saw a fire brigadier came, fire truck came, police came, and then we heard a blast over there, and then blast over here under this car, and then we got fire people came there. We have to get out from our building, so we are outside. That's it. Feel like I got a lot of work to do in office. I can't get it done, and looks like it's not days over. We have to go home. But I want everyone to be safe, stay away from that, and be safe, and be careful. No, first time. I am with this bank about 9 years. First time this kind of thing happened over here. Of course, right. They came in and they noticed fire. Then our management called right away because they have a fire alarm. They noticed they have to get out right away. So wholesale, everything is shut down.
I just drove here, so I didn't really see anything, but
What do you think about this?
surprising. Like, I wouldn't really see something like this in Astoria. Something like this never really happens over here, but it's kind of weird. It's really weird.
Oh, the fire alarm went off, and then we had to all come out, and then the fire department came and said you can't go back in. So I'm gonna go home.
Yeah, it was a little scary, a little bit. I don't know what was going on until, you know, but thank God we're all good. But I think our whole basement was full of smoke, they were saying. Yeah. Yeah, no.